Ooh, this is the Niles fireworks. So instead of lame to Walljack, now we're in Niles, guys. Hope you enjoy. Let's try and get this to 15 likes. I know that's not a lot. It's because I'm not really that popular, but 15 likes is enough to make me happy. If we can get just at least one like, I'll be super satisfied. Thank you guys so much for watching all my videos, liking, and subbing. You guys are a really important part of my journey in YouTube. Now let's enjoy these fireworks. So cool. Fireworks are so fascinating. Oh, it was a heart. That was cool. Sorry about the fence, guys. Yeah, sorry about the fence, guys. And sorry about that. That was my sister. I kind of wonder how they make fireworks explode in so many different ways and colors. It's so fascinating.
Ada, enjoy it.
I'm recording while watching.
Yeah, but you don't have to talk about it. Watch it.
It's a YouTube. Sorry about that. Alright, yeah, let's just watch. Better zoom in. Oh, that's blurry, sorry. I just love fireworks. One time when I was littler, this firework hit me in the head. Luckily, I'm not sure if it was like the firework itself or if it was like an ash thing, but it hit me in the forehead, and well, I'm lucky that I'm still alive and here with y'all. Guys, thank you guys for being so supportive through all the tough times. Ooh, that was bright. Ooh, another one. Dang, that was loud. Fireworks are just amazing. Red, white, and blue, 4th of July. Swirly swirls. Big one. Oh, that looked like a big... I'm pretty sure that was a big 8.
I'm gonna go over here by puppy. Aiden.
Oh, another squirrely one. Comment down below if this one was better than the Walljack ones. I personally think it's a lot better.
I'm bigger.
How'd you get so many?
Because I use my number, my necklace, and my
Yeah,
things.
you should have the same amount.
I need my blanket. Mama, I need my blanket.
Go grab it.
I want the
Sorry about that. That was my sister. She can be annoying sometimes. That was a big one. Ooh, that was loud. Not as loud as the last one, but okay. I'm so grateful for all y'all to support me through my journey of YouTube. starting off young. It's just, yeah, it's tough, but I'm going there. And I'm super grateful to even be alive to this day, that I watch these fireworks and be with you guys. Soon I'll have a GoPro. My only GoPro is packed up right now because we're moving. And so, oh, that was super loud. So yeah, I don't have it right now, and that's why this is either low quality. I don't know until I check the video. But other than that, it is. But then other than that, it is just blurry. Sorry, it's just my phone recording.
I'm watching. No, watching. Everyone but you is watching. Everyone but you is watching.
No, they're not.
You know what? I should have never whispered. Shut up. You're about to go sit in the car.
Those fireworks are usually long, and so I don't have enough storage on my phone to record them all. So if I have to make multiple parts of this, sorry. I was very quiet and small, but super cool because it's glittery. Whoa, that was bright. I'm gonna put a seizure warning on this because, yeah, just super bright lights.
That was loud.
Yeah, super loud and small. And sorry, y'all, that I haven't been posting lately.
Are you on YouTube? I'm on recording. Send it to YouTube.
That was like half demon because like purple, and then half angel because like the light, the white. There's also a little like side fireworks going on. But yeah, this is the main Niles fireworks.
We're not down, right?
This is the grand finale. I'm surprised my phone's last up this long. Maybe that wasn't the grand finale. Don't know, that's just what my parents said. I might also cut this up into like pieces and put it as shorts, so like it's easier for y'all to watch. I'm pretty sure this might be the grand finale.
Yeah, it is. Wanna die?
I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Oops, sorry about that. Truck came by. There's lots of people leaving, that's why it's so bright now. Whoa!
Whoa, that's cool.
Sorry about that. Dropped something, had to pick it up. Whoa.
I gotta say that. Big traffic. No, we're going that way. We're going that way. Yeah. It's gonna be a lot of
Super big one. That was loud and big. Comment down below in the comments. What type of videos should I do next? I'm trying out new things and videos and stuff, so that maybe like I can find something that I'm actually good at and interested in, and hopefully start my career on YouTube.
Well, the way it blows up.
Here, I'll be right back. 1 second.
Hey, just turn your phone off. You're not gonna hold it.
Alright, goodbye guys.